Hello again guys. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to enable Data Saver on your Snapchat. This option is very cool because you can save your mobile data and also saves your battery. Let's quickly enable it. First thing that you need to do is to check if your Snapchat is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Snapchat. If there's a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds till Snapchat installs all features and updates. Now let's open the Snapchat app and head over to the profile page. At the top right corner click on Settings. Here you can see various options. Scroll down and at the Additional Service find option called Data Saver. Click on it. Here toggle this option on. Note that you need to manually load content like lens and snaps, and they may take longer to view. So if you want to save some mobile data and save a battery, this option will help you out. Enjoy. That will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.